So here's one of my original covers, and you can see that although it's in pretty good shape, it's made out of aluminum. It's an aluminum piece that's painted and then pressed over this piece of plastic. And that's how it stays on. So over 1 year, so this is 1 year it's been on the car, and you can see that although I've cleaned it, the corrosion has knocked the paint off. So you'll never get that back unless you, I guess, hand paint the metal again, or the aluminum. But what I found online was this. Look at that. It's plastic. And it fits right over top. So the difference is this one's plastic, so it shouldn't wear the same. So it's just double-faced tape. And then it just goes right over top of the old one, and it's not metal anymore. So I think it'll last way longer. It's got a little protective plastic on it right now that I'll take off as soon as I put it on. So that works out quite well. Look, here's one of the original ones from a year ago. And this is the one that I've just covered. But you know what I've noticed? Look, it's actually aluminum too, isn't it? So it's a plastic cover, but it looks like there's aluminum under there. So I'm not sure how this is going to wear, actually. It looks great right now, but it may wear just the same as this one. Check back in a year to see. But anyway, right now, that looks quite a bit better, doesn't it?